Damage from the downed trees really showing itself in the form of power outages. Late last night, National Grid reporting some 10,000 customers without electricity.
Yeah, this morning, thankfully, the numbers have dropped dramatically, but there are still crews out there working to restore power in some spots during the frigid conditions out there. RICCI live in Attleboro with an update for us.
Yeah, guys, good morning. At last check, just a few moments ago, National Grid reporting about 6,400 Rhode Island customers without power. The number here in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County, down dramatically. We're just under 800 customers right now without power. Big reason why. Scenes like this over here, you see this big pine tree laying on top of those power lines. We're on Thayer Farm Road here in Attleboro, and so that has knocked out power to this area. Lots of scenes similar to this, particularly across Attleboro. We were told 8 to 10 or so overnight from 11:30 last night, but also not too far from here in Rhode Island as well. Let's show you some video just into our newsroom from Lincoln. Cobble Hill Road, crews were seen cleaning up a big mess over there. We were actually told they had to bring in the snow plows to try and get some of the debris off the road. They're still working at this time where they are on Cobble Hill Road over there. Be aware if your morning commute is taking you that way. Now also here back in Attleboro here, over near Sturdy Memorial Hospital, Hillside Avenue, around 2:30 this morning, our cameras were over there. You can see those crews working diligently to free the tree there from those power lines. Police telling us early this morning that scene has been cleared. Certainly a busy night for them. They were here over on Thayer Avenue, around Thayer Farm Road, around the same time as well. And over in Seekonk, crews were busy there too. They were working very hard to go ahead and over near the library, Newman Avenue there, to try and get some of that tree and debris off the road. Now we've just got to move out of the way just a little bit over here, and we're actually, if we come back live, going to swing right down this way. You can see National Grid track just coming down the road over here to assess how they're going to take care of this problem. So certainly lots of work to be done. Clean up the big thing today. Of course, lots more eyes going to be on those trees, as Michelle mentioned, the wind gusts continuing throughout the day. And certainly if you are heading out, bundle up. It's cold. Live in Attleboro, RICCI, 12 News.